Ah, chess. The game of logic, strategy, and pure concentration, where the only objective is to brutally murder your opponent's king. Many people have devoted their lives to this game to try and become the world's best. But you will never become the world's best, no matter how hard you try. You will never become good at chess. And here's why. Firstly, let's establish what a good chess player actually is. Let's have a look at this rating scale. Now, as you can see, this shows the different ratings that you can be as a chess player. Most people are around here. These players aren't that bad as such, but definitely could be better. So how do you know you can call yourself a good chess player? Well, you don't need to be a child prodigy or anything like that, but you certainly can't be an 1100 that gives away their queen every 5 seconds. So where is the threshold? At what point can you actually call yourself a good player? If you want it in terms of rating, then it's probably going to have to be at around 2000, because at that point, you may make some small mistakes, but you probably won't do something silly like blunder mate in one move. However, there are some exceptions. Don't worry, Pineapple Man, we still love you. So how do you actually become a good player? Well, the obvious things are you need to spend time, money, you need to be studying, you need to look at all your chess books, you need to put in a lot of effort, blood, sweat, tears, and other bodily fluids. Besides that, I think it all comes down to the amount of work you put in. I'm a firm believer that if you put in the work, that you can get there. So, drop what you're doing, stop watching those Hikaru videos, and watch my videos instead. No, I'm just joking. But you should, pick up that chess book, and if you want to get there, then you will. To be honest, though, it would be kind of cool if you subscribed and liked, though, wouldn't it? If you still don't believe me that anybody can make it, then look at some of this extensive research that I've done. If you look at the Grandmaster, Maurice Ashley, he was rated only around 1700 when he was like 17, and he still became a Grandmaster. Now what does that tell you? That inside his large, shiny, bald head that he holds a brain that's larger than ours so he can contemplate chess at a deeper level than all of us? No! He put in the work. So this is what you need to do. Get off your ass and go put in the work. Do it now. Yes, even you, Tommy in the red shirt. You've probably watched Queen's Gambit once. You want to become a chess grandmaster, but what are you doing if you're just going to be constantly watching Gotham chess all the time? You're not going to expect drastic changes, are you? Stop being lazy and go and do something. Now let that sink in for a second. You have two choices. One being, you can listen to my perfect reasoning and absolutely incredible research. Or two, sit there and watch your life slowly dwindle into an even further state of existential dread. Unless, of course, your name is QVC and you have negative talent in life, so which you have no chance in chess anyway.